everyone, my name is Rojika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rojika. As you can see from the board, in this video we will start with profit and loss. I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if you are a subscriber and you have learned anything or you have learned at least something from my previous video, I will be very glad to know it in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's start with profit and loss. In profit and loss, there are certain terms like cost price, selling price, profit and loss. There are other terms as well. We will talk about it later on. First, let us understand what are these terms. First, cost price. What is cost price? It is the price at which an item is purchased. That means if there is a shop and a seller, right, shopkeeper over there, so this shopkeeper will get some products from the manufacturer, right? So these products he will buy it at a price, right? So that price is known as cost price. Cost price is a price at which an item is purchased by the shopkeeper or by the seller, and it is denoted by CP. Okay, next let's go to selling price. Selling price, the price at which an item is sold. Now this shopkeeper, after buying those items on cost price, he will sell it, right, to whom? To us, the customers. Now that price on which he will sell the product to the customer is known as selling price, and which is denoted by SP. Understood? Now next comes the profit and loss. First, let us see what is profit. When an item is bought at a lower price than the selling price, that is known as profit. Let's say in this case, the cost price was rupees 5. He bought the product at rupees 5 and sold it per product rupees 10. Okay, he bought it per product for rupees 5 and then sold it for rupees 10. So his cost price is less than the selling price. So in this case, he will have a profit. That means profit of how much? In this case, rupees 5. That is selling price minus cost price. Okay, so this is known as profit. Next comes loss. Now sometimes it is denoted by P, or sometimes it is known as gain as well. Next, loss. Loss is when the shopkeeper buys the product at a rate which is more than the selling price. When an item is bought at a higher price and sold at a, this will be lower, not higher, this will be lower price. Okay, when an item is bought at a higher price and sold at lower price, that is known as loss. Let's say he is, in second case, let's say he is buying at rupees 15. So he is buying a product, let's say a pencil. He is buying a pencil at rupees 15 and he sold it at rupees 10. So he had a loss of rupees 5, right? So in this case, when the selling price is lesser than the cost price, the shopkeeper will go through a loss. Understood that much? Now, if you have understood these 4 terms, we will move to the formulas. The formula for profit is selling price minus cost price, as we have already seen over here. Selling price was rupees 10 and cost price was rupees 5. So 10 minus 5, 5 is the profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price, and profit percent is selling price minus cost price, that is profit itself, divided by cost price into 100. So we can write it in the form profit divided by CP, that is cost price, into 100. Okay, the same case, loss is cost price minus selling price. As we can see from here, cost price was 15 and selling price is 10. So cost price is higher than selling price. In this case, we will calculate loss as cost price minus selling price, and loss percentage is cost price minus selling price, which is lot itself divided by cost price. So we can write it in the form loss divided by CP into 100. We have all the formulas over here. These are the 4 formulas that we did just now. Now fifth one, what we have is SP equals to profit plus CP. This is what we have derived from formula 1. Again, in case of loss, SP equals to CP minus loss. These are the other 2 formulas to calculate SP. Now to calculate CP, the formula is SP minus profit, which is again derived from this formula. And sorry, not this formula, profit. And this CP equals to SP plus loss, this is derived from this formula. Got it? Now, when How to find SP and CP when profit percent or loss percent is provided. So when profit percent is provided, SP will be CP into 1 plus profit percent divided by 100. This is for SP, and for CP we need to divide SP with the whole thing, that is 1 plus P profit percent divided by 100. Okay, this is in case of profit, and in case when loss percent is provided, SP equals to CP into 1 minus loss percent by 100, and to find CP, SP divided by 1 minus L percent by 100. These are the formulas that you have to learn it by heart, so that it will be easier for you to solve problems in your exam. I have taken 2 simple questions for this video just to show how to use profit and loss formulas that we have studied till now. And in the next video, we will be solving few SSC questions. Let's start with this. The question says, Mr. Kashyap purchased an air conditioner for rupees 12,000. That means CP is rupees 12,000. Since he is purchasing the air conditioner and sold it for rupees 15,000, that means SP is rupees 15,000. Now the question asks, what was the profit percent? So the formula was profit percentage equals to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Okay, so let us do that. Selling price was 15,000 minus cost price is 12,000 divided by cost price again into 100, which is 15,000 minus 12,000 is 3,000 divided by 12,000 into 100. Now 3 zeros in the numerator, 3 zeros in the denominator. We can cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 100 divided by 4, which is 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 25 is 100. That means it is 25%. So as we can see, option C is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. We have the next question with us. The question says the cost price of an article is 7840. Cost price is rupees 7840, 7,840. What should be the selling price of the article so that there is a profit of 7%? So profit is 7%. So what is SP? When profit is given and cost price is given, or we can say when profit percentage is given, the formula for SP is CP into 1 plus P percent divided by 100. That is CP is 7840 and 1 plus 7 by 100. Profit is 7%. So it is 7840. We are taking 100 as LCM. Here we have 1. 1 into 100 is 100. So 100 into 1 is 100. Plus 100 into 1 is 100. So 1 into 7 is 7. And 7840 into 107 divided by 100. 100 plus 7 is 107. Next, what is the answer? 7, or we can cancel zeros from here and divide it with 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 392 is 784. Okay. Now it is 392 into 107 divided by 5. So what do we get when we multiply this? We get 8388.80. Therefore, SP is rupees 8388.80, and this is option number C. This is all for this video. We will meet up in the next video. In that video, we will solve questions from previous year's SSC papers. Okay, so till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.